Chen-style Tai Chi is one of the oldest and most traditional forms of Tai Chi, known for its martial arts applications and fighting techniques. The practice of Chen-style Tai Chi incorporates slow, flowing movements with explosive bursts of power, making it an effective martial art for self-defense and combat. One of the key principles of Chen-style Tai Chi fighting techniques is the concept of silk reeling, which involves spiraling movements that generate power from the waist and hips. This allows the practitioner to generate force from the core of their body, allowing for powerful strikes and effective defense. Additionally, Chen-style Tai Chi emphasizes the use of leverage and redirection of an opponent's force, rather than relying solely on physical strength. This allows for efficient and effective techniques to overcome an opponent, even if they are larger or stronger. Furthermore, Chen-style Tai Chi incorporates joint locks, throws, and pressure point techniques, making it a comprehensive martial art for self-defense in close combat situations. Overall, Chen-style Tai Chi fighting techniques are rooted in the principles of internal power, leverage, and efficient use of force,